Welcome, my friends. Do you want to learn English and live with honesty? This is Learn English Story Guy. Today, we explore honesty through a story. Honesty is the best policy. It is a level 1 story for beginners. Simple words, simple sentences, big lessons. You will improve your English and your heart. Subscribe now. Let us begin. Your English journey starts today. Honesty is powerful. Honesty means telling the truth. It builds trust. Trust means believing in someone. Honesty is like a clear river. It flows pure and clean. It helps everyone. Lila is a girl. She lives in a small town. She wants to be a shopkeeper. But being honest is hard. She feels scared. Scared means afraid. She wants success now. People say, be honest. Lila tries but makes mistakes. She sees others lie. They hide the truth. Lila feels sad. She thinks, I cannot do it. Honesty builds trust. Your English honesty is practice. Say, I can be honest 5 times. Write it down. Honesty makes you strong. Your English story starts now. Vocabulary. Honesty means telling the truth. Trust means believing in someone. Say, honesty builds trust. Repeat after me. Lila faces challenges. Challenges are hard tasks. She wants to learn English. English helps shopkeepers. Words are new. She makes mistakes. She feels nervous. Nervous means afraid. Lila wants to give up. Her friend says, tell the truth. Trust supports honesty. Trust means believing in someone. It means feeling safe. Lila is honest with customers. They trust her shop. Trust is like a bridge. It connects people. It makes them strong. Trust builds success. Think of a friend. A friend tells the truth. You feel safe with them. Trust makes you kind. Your English trust is practice. Speak one honest sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Trust builds your fluency. It makes you strong. Build trust. Be strong. Vocabulary. Trust means believing in someone. Safe means protected. Say, trust makes me safe. Repeat after me. Integrity strengthens honesty. Integrity means doing what is right. It means being honest always. Lila keeps her promises. She does not lie. Integrity is like a rock. It stands strong. It does not break. Integrity builds success. Think of a leader. A leader does right things. People follow them. Integrity makes you trusted. Your English integrity is practice. Say one right sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Integrity builds your fluency. It makes you strong. Have integrity. Be strong. Vocabulary. Integrity means doing what is right. Trusted means believed in. Say, integrity makes me trusted. Repeat after me. Accountability supports honesty. Accountability means owning your actions. It means saying, I did it. Lila admits a mistake. She fixes it. Accountability is like a mirror. It shows your actions. It helps you grow. Accountability builds success. Think of a worker. A worker makes a mistake. They tell the truth. People respect them. Your English accountability is practice. Admit one mistake today. Write one sentence. Say it 5 times. Accountability builds your fluency. It makes you honest. Be accountable. Be honest. Vocabulary. Accountability means owning your actions. Respect means valuing others. Say, accountability earns respect. Repeat after me. Courage fuels honesty. Courage means facing fear. Lila tells the truth. She feels nervous, but she speaks anyway. Courage is like a light. It shines in the dark. It shows the way. Courage builds success. Think of a student. A student admits a mistake. It is hard, but right. Courage makes you honest. Your English courage is practice. Speak one true sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Courage builds your fluency. It makes you brave. Be courageous. Be brave. Vocabulary. Courage means facing fear. Brave means not afraid. Say, courage makes me brave. Repeat after me. Respect supports honesty. Respect means valuing others. It means being kind. Lila speaks honestly. She respects customers. Respect is like a handshake. It shows you care. It builds trust. Respect builds success. Think of a neighbor. A neighbor speaks kindly. They show respect. Respect makes people trust you. Your English respect is practice. Say one kind sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Respect builds your fluency. It makes you kind. Be respectful. Be kind. Vocabulary. Respect means valuing others. Kind means helping others. Say, respect makes me kind. Repeat after me. Sincerity strengthens honesty. Sincerity means being real. It means speaking from the heart. Lila is sincere. She means what she says. Sincerity is like a clear sky. It shows no clouds. It builds trust. Sincerity builds success. Think of a friend. A friend speaks true words. You feel their heart. Sincerity makes you trusted. Your English sincerity is practice. Say one real sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Sincerity builds your fluency. It makes you honest. Be sincere. Be honest. Vocabulary. Sincerity means being real. Trusted means believed in. Say, sincerity makes me trusted. Repeat after me. Fairness supports honesty. Fairness means treating all equally. It means being just. Lila charges fair prices. She does not cheat. Fairness is like a balance. It keeps things equal. It builds trust. Fairness builds success. Think of a judge. A judge listens to all sides. They make fair choices. Fairness makes you honest. Your English fairness is practice. Say one fair sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Fairness builds your fluency. It makes you just. Be fair. Be just. Vocabulary. Fairness means treating all equally. Just means right and fair. Say, fairness makes me just. Repeat after me. Responsibility helps honesty. Responsibility means doing your duty. It means keeping promises. Lila keeps her shop honest. She does her work. Responsibility is like a weight. You carry it with care. It makes you strong. Responsibility builds success. Think of a parent. A parent cares for children. They keep promises. Responsibility makes you trusted. Your English responsibility is practice. Keep one promise today. Write one sentence. Say it 5 times. Responsibility builds your fluency. It makes you strong. Be responsible. Be strong. Vocabulary. Responsibility means doing your duty. Duty means what you must do. Say, responsibility is my duty. Repeat after me. Self-reflection supports honesty. Self-reflection means thinking about yourself. It means seeing your actions. Lila thinks about her day. She sees her mistakes. Self-reflection is like a mirror. It shows what to improve. It helps you grow. Self-reflection builds success. Think of a writer. A writer checks their work. They fix mistakes. Self-reflection makes you honest. Your English self-reflection is practice. Think about one sentence today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Self-reflection builds your fluency. It makes you wise. Reflect daily. Be wise. Vocabulary. Self-reflection means thinking about yourself. Wise means knowing a lot. Say, self-reflection makes me wise. Repeat after me. Lila becomes a trusted shopkeeper. Her shop is popular. People trust her. They smile. Lila feels proud. Proud means feeling good. Her dream comes true. Honesty pays off. Lila was honest daily. She did not stop. Your English honesty pays off. Speak one true sentence daily. Write one true sentence daily. You can succeed. Lila's lesson is clear. Honesty needs effort. Honesty needs courage. English is power. English is freedom. Subscribe to Learn English Story Guy. Share this story. Start your English journey today. Be like Lila. Be honest. Your dreams are waiting. Go get them. Vocabulary. Payoff means to give results. Proud means feeling good. Say, honesty pays off. Repeat after me.